Hello guys, my name is Ken here at Programming House. Today we'll be solving this problem. Let's say you have a number of files in a nested folders and you want to copy files with certain extensions to a separate folder. So that is what we'll be doing today. Copying files with certain extensions to a certain specific folder. So to demonstrate that, I have this folder called schools, and it has .pdf and text files. So now let's say we want to copy all files with text extension to results folder. So that is what we'll be doing in this tutorial. So to start, I will import the shutil and hoist modules. Then I will change the directory of the script that is running to the file system directory. Then now here I will have this variable folder to search. Then I will have the results folder as it's results. Yes. So now I will create another variable with the name source folder, and I will call our list directory method inside the OS module, list directory function that is, and I will pass the folder search path. Then using a for loop, I will loop all files in source folder. Then if files dot ends with .txt, then we'll have to do this. We'll have a variable with the name file, then we'll concatenate the path, folder search, and the files. Then now we may have a complete path. Then we can print the file, and then we will have to copy the file to the results folder. So as you can see, in the result folder there is nothing. So let me clear the console. So if we'll run this file, we have an error. Oh, we're supposed to have shutil.copy. So if we run, oh oops, we're supposed to add another backward slash there. So now as you can see, it's working and the files have been copied to the results folder. So that is it. If you want to copy the files with PDF extension, I will delete the results folder content again. Then I will change here to PDF. It's supposed to be lowercase PDF. Let me clear the console. So if I run again, you'll see they've been copied. So that is it. So that is it, guys. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.